What do you think?
Ooh, this is so cool. It's neat.
We're at Rockhouse in Hocking Hills. Rockhouse. It's supposed to be about a quarter-mile hike.
Wow.
I don't know. Sounds like a
monkey.
I didn't put my relive on.
Your deodorant?
My relive.
Oh.
Is stay on ledge or stay on trail. Whoa. So cops and robbers.
What are you talking about?
Robbers and thieves hung out here. Yeah. This is going to be so cool when we get there. Look at the face of that.
Is it an owl?
I don't know if that's an owl. Hey, how are you doing?
Wow. This is too cool.
I know. Oh, it's doves. See them up there?
Oh, it is that?
Yeah. Watch your step through here. This is cool. Check this out. What do you think?
Ooh, this is so cool. It's neat.
Look here. Oh, that's right. It's wild. So is that doves?
I guess. Sounds like a monster.
Can you see? Well, good grief. That is wild. Don't poop on me. All right, so your reaction to that place?
It was cool. Those birds in there making that noise made it spooky.
Do you think that was the birds?
Well, what do you think it was?
I don't know. Yeah, this was really, if you come to Hocking Hills, this is a definite. You've got to do this. Super cool. The sound inside there was wild. I don't know if it's the doves making that sound or pigeons, whatever they are.
Might be an owl in there.
It was something.
Hi everyone. I'm gonna give Shane a little break from videoing. So we are at Cantwell Cliffs.
Cantwell Cliffs.
Oh, sorry, Cantwell Cliffs. I was right.
In the Hocking Hills area.
Hocking Hills area. Ooh, it says warning.
This one is it's cliffs. So you don't want to stand on the cliffs. One thing about this place, it is sandstone and it is very slick. In the caves,
What was that?
In the caves we went in earlier, the sandstone was slick. So stay off the cliffs. Don't be a
Emergency. Call 911.
Trail entrance begin one way, and we go. Where are we at? Right here. And we go this way. So point one. I mean, that's not gonna be bad. I bet there's. I don't know.
What was that?
We go that way.
This is cool.
All right. Do it to it.
It's hot.
So that is Fat Woman Squeeze. So normally there is a waterfall right there, but again, it's very dry.
Hey guys, we just got into we're starting to the gorge now.
Yeah. So there's usually water coming.
That's the wrong way.
So what do you think of this?
I love the sunbeams that are coming through, or the rays from the sun. And then you can see the bridge up here too.
Yeah.
So it just looks pretty.
Melanie's getting ready to go over the bridge. That was, well, actually we were looking at earlier. We were looking at earlier where the water comes out, but there's no water, but it's right over the rock cliff. What do you think?
Pretty cool. We're high up.
How high up? Besides Bigfoot going through?
It scares me.
So
look, it's a really big cliff. Ooh. Don't get close to the ledge.
So while you're walking on this trail, the rim trail, that's all it is. So please be careful when you're doing this. Don't be a dodo. What you got here, Mel?
Big cliff.
Wow.
Stuff falling out of the tree.
1.2 miles is what we had on it. We didn't do a couple smaller trails, but we did the big loop. So good.
Good.
Now on to Ash Cave. We're now at Ash Cave Trail, and this is roughly 7/10 in, or I guess it's a loop, I don't know, in a dried creek bed. Please comment in this video and tell us, are these creeks usually this dry? This was first discovered. They found a pile of ash from India, and that's the true story. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but there was a pile of ash. Hence Ash Cave.
All that stuff falling.
I know, leaves.
He said he always got a kick out of coming down here. Ranger. I hear you, but he didn't say that.
That's funny.
You're walking a ledge. did it. Up the steps from that. We got a lot of steps to climb. We're getting ready to finish the last trail in Hocking Hills that we're going to do on this trip, which was Ash Cave. We were going to go to Cedar Falls. Like I said, the guy told us no water coming off of it, so we're not going to even attempt it. But out of the three today, Ash Cave, Rockhouse, and Cantwell Cliffs, which was your favorite?
Rockhouse.
Rockhouse, yeah, that was mine too. Out of the last 2 days, those three plus Old Man Caves, Whispering Caves, so out of all that, favorite?
Old Man's Cave.
Yeah, Old Man's
Trail.
The trail to Old Man's Cave was the best, and that's the highlight of the whole Hocking Hills place. But the crowds were definitely nothing like they were yesterday on a weekend. Today's a Monday, school's in session, so that is the one thing takeaway that I can tell you all. Make sure that you do it during the weekdays, and make sure you're doing it whenever there's been rain. Obviously, this has been one of the drier summers that this place has had because everything is dry. You got anything you want to say?
Keep watching.